Hi, everyone, and welcome back to POMpod, the Peace of Mind podcast. I'm Travis Gasper, a estate planning attorney here in Texas and founder of Gasper Law. Today's episode is a little different. Since we're approaching Thanksgiving, I wanted to slow down for a moment and share something more personal, a reflection on gratitude, growth, and the incredible people who make this work meaningful. Thanksgiving is one of those rare pauses in the year where we get to zoom out and ask what and who truly matters. And as I've been thinking about that for myself, I realized I wanted to bring that conversation here to you. This year, I felt a deep sense of gratitude for every single person who has trusted me and my team with something as important as their family's future. Estate planning is personal, sometimes emotional, sometimes overwhelming. And yet you've let us walk alongside you. Whether you're planning for kids, navigating blended families, protecting your partner, clarifying your wishes, or simply wanting to leave a little less stress for the people you love most. I don't take that trust lightly. I've had clients share stories about caring for aging parents, building chosen families, navigating transitions, and doing everything in their power to make sure the people they love are protected. And each of those stories reminds me why this work matters. So if you're listening and you've worked with us this year, thank you. You've not only supported a small business, you've allowed us to help more people find clarity, dignity, and peace of mind. I also want to take a moment to express my gratitude for my team. Gasper Law has grown this year, and it's because of the people behind the scenes who care deeply about each client experience, from the first email to the final signing. We've built a small but mighty group of people who believe in kindness, communication, and creating a process that feels human. And as the work has grown, they've grown with it, learning, adapting, and showing up with so much compassion and professionalism. Teamwork is one of those things that's easy to overlook when you're in the day-to-day. But this Thanksgiving, I'm especially grateful for the people who help make this firm feel like a home rather than just a business. On a more personal note, this year has given me a profound reminder not to take health for granted. My husband Carlos has been through a lot recently, and I'm grateful every day for his strength, his resilience, and for the doctors and nurses who helped us navigate some tough moments. We've grown closer this year, asked harder questions, and learned new ways to show up for each other. And I'm especially grateful right now for where he is in his recovery. As many of you know, we've also been on a long journey towards starting a family through IVF and surrogacy. While we're not quite there yet, I'm grateful for hope, for progress, for our egg donor, for the support we've received, and for the belief that even the hard chapters are part of a bigger story. Gratitude doesn't erase challenges, but it makes them softer. And this year has been one of growth. Sometimes painful, sometimes beautiful, often both at the same time. Another thing I'm grateful for is the ability to help more people achieve peace of mind. Our firm has grown, not just in numbers, but in impact. We've helped more families protect their legacies, more parents name guardians, more couples make sure their wishes are honored, and more individuals bring order to a part of life many people avoid for too long. Every time someone completes their estate plan, I feel that same quiet sense of purpose, like we've helped lift a weight they've been carrying. This year has reaffirmed something I believed for a long time. Estate planning is not just paperwork. It's an act of love, of responsibility, of hope. And I'm grateful every day that I get to do this work. So as we head into the holiday season, I want to invite you to take your own moment to pause, to reflect, to appreciate the people who shaped your year, the caregivers, the partners, the friends who've become family, the family who showed up in unexpected ways, and maybe even yourself. for everything you've managed, survived, built, or grown through. Gratitude is grounding. It reminds us what's real. It reminds us who we're doing all this for. Before we wrap up, I have a small Thanksgiving request. Share this episode with someone you're grateful for. It could be a partner, a parent, a sibling, a friend, a caregiver, or someone who changed your year for the better. Let this be a tiny moment of connection, a way to say, I'm thankful for you. And if this episode resonated with you, I'd love for you to reach out and tell me what you're most grateful for this year. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. Whether you're cooking, driving, or taking a quiet walk, I'm grateful you chose to make this podcast part of your day. Wishing you and your loved ones a Thanksgiving filled with warmth, rest, and peace of mind.